Hey guys, welcome back. So some of you may know that I live in the Northeast, and we just got hit with a whole bunch of rain, and we got really fortunate that it kind of skirted us both ways, and we got rain, but we certainly didn't get the destruction that our neighbors in Vermont got. And then, you know, we're talking just 10 miles away, and those folks got hit really hard. So, you know, my heart goes out to them, and hopefully they get to pick up the pieces and move on. And, you know, the rest, and some of the countries really wish they got some rain. So there's both sides of things, but boy, did they get hit hard. In any case, I wanted to talk about one of my favorite options on the tractor that I have. And I think my favorite option seems to continue to come back to being weather related. And well, stick around and we'll talk about it. So I've got the town still bringing in all these loads of soil for me, and so far I'm up to 25 loads of free material. I've got another four more loads right here that I got to deal with, and you can see it's a little soft, a little wet. If we go over here to the bank, I've got the excavator guy that I know coming tomorrow, and he's gonna give me an idea what we got to do. We got to take out the stumps here. We're gonna obviously get the logs out of there, and over here in the corner there's a culvert that we got to connect that culvert all the way down, probably 40-50 feet, just to get it out from under there, because all of this is going to get buried. And I don't want there to be an excuse that Dave doesn't have room for it anymore, so I keep moving it. I'll probably only be able to move about a pile, maybe two tonight, but you peck away at it and it just keeps coming. So that's what I'm headed out to do, so stick around. I always forget to pull up the PTO for the rear implement. I don't know. One of these days I'll get used to it. Man, it was 90 degrees out today, and I'll tell you what, it might be a little cold in here. That's right. This is one of my favorite attachments, or options if you will. The cab makes all the difference in the world for multiple seasons. It can be negative 20 Fahrenheit and it's got heat and it's beautiful. It could be today, 90, scorching, muggy, and I'm freezing in there with shorts. This thing, I would never have another tractor without a cab. It's got to be the single most valuable thing to me personally. Rain or shine, you can be in your tractor and be comfortable all the time. Let me know what you guys think. I know there are a lot of you that really are anti-cab, and I understand that for a number of reasons. So if you're not romping through the woods and you're careful with it, I think it's a great option to get. Let me know what you guys think. Anyways, guys, I appreciate you joining me today. You've been watching Mountaintop Living. My name is Dave, and until next time.